guys, welcome back to my channel and happy holidays to you all. I pray for a safe and great time to all of us. Welcome back to another CVS deals video and thanks for joining me. This week's ad is almost the same as last week, so make sure you're scanning the items to see what coupons or CRTs you have that can make them cheaper. And if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you subscribe, like, comment, and share this video, and let's go find some deals. The first deal we have is on Colgate toothpaste. They're on sale for $3.99, and when you buy two, you get $7 back. Pick up two. Both will total $7.98. Go on Colgate website and print out two $1 coupons for each toothpaste. That will take off $2 and drop it down to $5.98, and you get $7 back, making them free and $1.02 money maker. The next deal I have is buy two get six back, and this deal includes Maybelline Cosmetics and select Colgate toothpaste. Pick up the Colgate Total, priced at $6.29, and Maybelline Single Eyeshadow, priced at $4.79. These two will total $11.08. Check your app because we have a $2 off for the Colgate and also a $3 off for the Maybelline. These two coupons will take off $5 and drop you down to $6.08, and you get 6 back, making them just 8 cents or 4 cents each. If you don't want to pick up the toothpaste, you can pick up the Maybelline Baby Lips, priced at $4.99, and with the eyeshadow, both will total $9.78. Use the $3 coupon we have in our app for the eyeshadow. That $3 coupon is not attaching to the Baby Lips. With the $3 coupon, it's going to drop it down to $6.78, and you get 6 back, making them just 78 cents or 39 cents each. The next deal I have is spend 15 get $6 back on any Revlon cosmetics or beauty tools. Pick up the Maybelline powder blush, priced at $14.99. That's within the 98% rule for the spend 15. Use the $3 extra care coupon everybody received today, and it will drop it down to $11.99, and you get 6 back, making it just $5.99. Another Revlon item I found that is priced at $14.99 will be the Color Stay Pressed Powder. Pick it up, use the $3 extra care coupon, pay $11.99, and you get 6 back, making it just $5.99. The next deal I have is spend 25 get 10 back on Aveeno or Neutrogena facial care. Pick up the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, priced at $25.99. We have a $5 digital coupon, and I also have a 5 off 20 Neutrogena or Aveeno facial care CRT. That will take off $10 and drop it down to $15.99, and you get 10 back, making it just $5.99. The next deal I have is buy two get $4 back on any L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioner, and they are on sale for two for $10. Pick up two. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 7, and you get 4 back, making them just $3 or $1.50 each. My next deal is on OGX Hair Care. They are part of the buy two get $4 back, and they are on sale for buy one get one half off. Pick up one shampoo and one conditioner, priced at $9.29. With the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $4.65. These two will total $13.94. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $7.49, and you get 4 back, making them just $3.49 or $1.75 each. The next deal I have is on Oreo cookies. They are on sale for $3.99, and they are part of the buy two get $2 back. Pick up two, and both will total $7.98. Pay the $7.98, and you get 2 back, making them just $5.98 or $2.99 each. The next deal I have is not giving back any extra care box, and that will be on the 8.9 to 12.3 ounce General Milk cereal. They are on sale for $1.99. Pick up two, and they will total $3.98. We have a $1 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $2.98 for both boxes, or just $1.49 each. My next deal is on Halls cough drops. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 packs. They are priced at $3.59, And with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $1.80. These two will total $5.39. We have a 2 off 2 coupon in our app that will drop it down to $3.39 and you get 2 back, making them $1.39 or 70 cents each. My next deal is on Vitafusion vitamins. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, but they are not giving back any extra care box. Pick up the multivitamin gummies priced at $16.79 and the melatonin priced at $15.99. With the buy one get one half off, the cheaper price one will be the one half off, and that will be the melatonin. The new price will be $8. These two will total $24.79. We have a 15 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $9.79 for both, or just $4.90 each. My next deal is buy 2 get $4 back on Gillette or certain care shave gel or foam. Pick up 2 Gillette shave foams at $3.89 and they're on sale for buy one get one half off. And with that, the second one will be $1.95. These two will total $5.84. Pay that and get $4 back, making them just $1.84 or 92 cents each. The next deal I have is spend $30 get $10 back, and this deal is a limit of 1 per account. And I have 4 options in this video, so pick whichever one you like, or you can mix or match however way you want it. The first option I have is to pick up 2 Huggies diapers. They're on sale for 2 for $21. And pick up 2 Crest toothpaste on sale for $4.99 each. These 4 items will total $30.98. And check your app, we have a $2 coupon for the Huggies, and for the Crest toothpaste, we have a 4 off 2 coupon if you didn't use yours last week. That will take off $6 and drop it down to $24.98, and you get 10 back, making them just $14.98 or $3.75 each. The second option I have is to pick up Bounty 6 double rolls on sale for $15.99, 1 Charmin 6 mega rolls on sale for $9.99, and a Tide Pod on sale for $5.49. These 3 items will total $31.47. You can use a $1 Tide coupon from December PNG, and we have a $1 digital coupon for the Charmin and another $1 coupon for the Bounty. That will take off $3 and drop it down to $28.47. Pay that and get 10 back, making them just $18.47 or $6.15 each. The third option I have for the spend 30 is to pick up 2 Crest toothpaste on sale for $4.99 each and 4 Tide Pods on sale for $5.49 each. These 6 items will total $31.94. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon for the Crest, and you can use 4 of the $1 coupon for the Tide Pod from December PNG, and we also have a $1 Tide Pod coupon in our app. If your store will not allow you to use more than 2 paper coupons, you can do this deal in 2 transactions because it will track. With the coupons I mentioned, it will take off $8 and drop it down to $23.94, and you get 10 back, making them just $13.94 or $2.32 each. The last option I have is to pick up the Bounty 6 double rolls on sale for $15.99 and a Tide Pod on sale for $13.49. These two would total $29.48, and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 30. Use a $1 digital coupon for the Bounty and also a $3 digital coupon for the Tide Pod. That will take off $4 and drop it down to $25.48, and you get 10 back, making them just $15.48 or $7.74 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time.